So it's early morning here in Pannier. I have packed up. I got up at 4 a.m. and I've packed up. It's about 6:15 now, so this is going to be my earliest start. It's a little bit cool, hence the neck scarf, and there's a bit of a breeze, and I'll be going into headwinds all day today. I'm just sitting here in the middle of town, just opposite the Pannier Hotel, where I fundraised for the last couple of days, and between the hotel and the townspeople and the sports club we have raised around $600, I think. And yes, it's been a wonderful time here. Lots of really nice people again, lots of really good conversations and really interesting stories about how the Royal Flying Doctor has saved their life or someone they know. And we've raised now around $11,500 for the Royal Flying Doctor. I'm heading to Pannier today, where I've already been, because I'm actually crossing back towards heading west towards the coast. So I've come as far south through the wheat belt on this side, and now I'm going to head out to the coast to get away from the traffic that is inevitably coming because of harvest. There's a lot of trucks on the road already, and we will be seeking to let them do their jobs without getting in their way, and that will probably make things easier for them and for me. And there's a lot of little coastal towns that I wouldn't mind visiting before I get back to Perth. I think I'm probably about 2 weeks away from Perth at this point. And yeah, today's ride, 57 kilometres or thereabouts, back to Pannier, and I'll either overnight or 2-night in Pannier. I'll make my mind up when I get there, and we'll see how it goes. Yeah, so another successful couple of days. It's Sunday now, so I'm hoping for light traffic and a good quick ride to Pannier. Hoping to get there before lunchtime, because that's when the shop closes and I need to get some butter. So hopefully we'll make it on time. Awesome. So old mate just pulling away there in the ute. There's a guy who heard about my journey on the radio and pulled over to make a donation, so that was really cool. First time on this trip so far, but everywhere I'm going now people seem to kind of know that I'm coming, so it's very interesting indeed. I've only got a few k's to go to get to town today. I was contemplating going further, but I'll make the assessment when I get there, because it's still pretty early in the day, about 9 o'clock in the morning, which means I've been going 3 hours. I've done 50 kilometres in 3 hours. There's about 7 to go, and if I carried on, I would have about 80 to do. So that would be like another 7 hours. And 9 o'clock in the morning, 7. Well, I guess we'd be looking at 4 p.m. That'll be a pretty big day. Or I can kind of just chill out here and rest and recover and get ready for tomorrow. He did point out that there were a few big hills coming up, so maybe I should proceed with caution. See you all later. So I have arrived in Kanama after a 3-hour ride from Pannier, where I had mostly crosswinds and rolling hills. So actually it was kind of a really good ride this morning. It's only 10 AM, so I'm here really early, which gives me a good opportunity to relax. And now that it's getting warmer in the morning, I'll be able to do more of these early morning rides. Hope to get away about similar time tomorrow. So yeah, great ride. Got stopped along the way, and someone had recognized me from the radio interview that I did in Geraldton on ABC, and dropped a donation in the bin. We're at over $11,500 now for the Royal Flying Doctors, which is fantastic. And yeah, everything good today. There was still some wildflowers out today, so it was nice. I got a couple of good pictures, and of course the endless pestilence of flies is still dogging me. Big thanks to Pauline at the campground in Pannier, and Craig and Sandy here, who are putting me up for the night as well. And yeah, so I'll be heading on to Unavailable tomorrow. I might do a follow-up later today as well. So yeah, all good, perfect day so far, brilliant. So I am in Kanama, and I've had an awful lot of luck since I arrived here. I was stopped on the side of the road just out of town and had a nice chat with a guy and got a donation, and I rolled into town and was just starting to get set up in the campground, and the campground manager came along, Craig and Sandy, and they kindly allowed me to stay here, sponsored, and then they came back half an hour later and offered me a cabin, which was wonderful. So I had a real bed again in Kanama. I've had just like I did last time I was in town, so that was amazing. And so I went into town. I had to get here early so that I could get to the shops, because the only shop in town closed at midday, and I needed a few items, some butter and some water, etc. And yeah, so and then the shopkeeper made a fairly substantial donation as well, and yeah, so a really good day to relax. I had a lot of little small things I needed to do, some laundry, some cleaning up, and some tidying, and a bit of video editing. But all in all, yeah, an excellent return to Kanama, and only staying the one night and heading out to Unavailable tomorrow. So yeah, great day in Kanama. Please like, subscribe, and leave any comments that can help me improve my channel. Thank you very much. Bye.